River Lily here. Let's unbox a BoxyCharm. So this is November's BoxyCharm, and I'm going to open it up and show you what came in it. First, you have this paper here that tells you everything that's in the box and what each item retails for. So the first thing we have is a Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. It's an eyeshadow palette with these colors. I like the first three. I don't think I really care too much for the flat colors in the palette. And that retails for $35. So just this month, they started this new thing where they sent out foundation samples for you to test. And then you go onto the website and you pick the one that's closest to your skin color so that they can match you with, I guess, better options for your boxes. And maybe they'll actually start doing foundations and powders in the boxes, which would be pretty cool. Then we got, which I got to pick this month between two items, we got the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, which is probably really good for moisturizing. In the winter months, again, I really need lots of moisture on my skin because I tend to dry out a lot more. And I picked that because it retails for $90. It's full of antioxidants. And it's lightweight. So that's good. Then we got the Dose of Colors Lippy Liquid Matte Lipstick in focus. Nude Mood. I'm not super fond of lippies. I like chapstick and lip balms and stuff like that, so I probably won't use this. And that retails for $18. Then we got this here, which is BoxyCharm branded. I don't have my thingamabob. My thingamabob's actually my tripod. That's not in here. So we got two brushes. A smaller one. They feel really nice. Probably very good for applying concealer. And then a bigger one, which is probably good for applying foundation. Tight bristles. They feel soft and sturdy. And they retail for glare, $35. And then the last thing in the box is Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks. And there's two of them. So that was this month's box. The price of the box did go up recently. They were $21 a month, plus the cost of shipping. And now the boxes are $25 a month. They also have a premium box now, which I'm on the waiting list for. I was really hoping for it this month, but I didn't receive it. And the premium box is $35 a month. There's also a Boxy Luxe, which is another premium box. I'm not quite sure how much that one retails for, but it only comes out, I think it's every 3 months or every 4 months. So overall, I like my brushes, this stuff, the masks. Again, the palette's nice, but I probably won't use too many of the colors. I'm happy that they gave us a new way to customize our boxes with the foundation samples. So, that's the BoxyCharm box. I'm done talking now. I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing. Again, these do make very great gifts if you have anybody in your life that enjoys beauty products and makeup. And that is all. Bye-bye.